Shytoshi just made himself known. The Shiba Inu will parabolic. Shiba Inu lead developer Shytoshi Kusama's tweet from January 2022 attracted speculation from a Shiba Inu owner on Twitter. Shytoshi is making a suggestion on the upcoming collaboration between the #Shib community and the #Shibarium. A conversation between Shytoshi and his mentor was referenced in his cryptic letter, and it was agreed that by the end of 2022, it would be impossible for me to remain invisible. He concluded by noting that the real fun starts after the truth is disclosed. We'll discuss about Shytoshi in this video as he just revealed who he is. Shib News claims that Shiba Inu is parabolic. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. For the most recent information about Shiba Inu's price forecasts and expert commentary, please share and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. If taken literally, Shytoshi seems to be going to come out. However, revealing identity goes against expectations, leading viewers to infer ulterior meanings. Shytoshi hinted that Shibarium would be made available soon after the new year on Christmas Eve, when he indicated it will arrive very soon. Shibarium is an Ethereum layer, a two-scaling solution, and an important development that will transform Shiba Inu from a memecoin into something more. The CARDANO'S stablecoin's launch, which is pegged to $0, as well as the ability to run metaverse and gaming applications, are all included in this Shiba Inu ecosystem recently. The topic of Shib has been discussed in several blog postings. Concept art, specifically the metaverse, shows several places in the virtual world. The Shib token has lost 76% so far this year, which is comparable to the decline in value of Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ryoshi, the founder of the secret Shiba Inu company, removed all of his social media and article entries on Monday, causing uncertainty on the project's future. He didn't say anything in the media about it, and his Twitter account is still inactive. Developer Shytoshi shared his opinions in a Medium post in response to Ryoshi's apparent abandonment of Shiba Inu. Ryoshi's disappearance was not anything Shytoshi claimed to be aware of. To allay fears, he verified taking up the initiative and carrying out Ryoshi's vision, which calls for creating Shib meetups, a ShibaCon, a shibaswap, a Shiba leech bone treat, and a shibarium. Over the past 24 hours, the Shiba Inu price on its chart has moved downward. Shib lost 3% in value over the previous week in the same time frame. The meme currency did not experience any increases either. It lost a few support lines after dropping over 6% of its market value. Shib has now developed a pattern that suggests the currency could see an upside breakout in the next 24 hours. On the daily chart, the technical outlook continues to show bearish indicators. For the majority of this month, sellers have continued to dictate the price. Shib needs buyers to step up to the plate in order to complete an upside breakthrough. The technical indicators indicate that the coin may decline on its chart over the upcoming trading sessions before moving upward. Shib's trading volume decreased, which is consistent with the idea that the market's demand is still weak. Shib is currently trading 90% below the all-time high it achieved almost a year ago. Shib was being traded for $80. The Shiba Inu price dropped from the $82 support line to $0.00 over the past week. Shiba Inu is anticipated to decline under the $0.80 level as long as buying power is weak. It has developed a symmetrical triangular pattern, which confirms that a breakout could cause the coin to surge. The meme currency is anticipated to surge after reaching its initial local support at $0.76. If the breakthrough occurs, the Shiba Inu price will increase to $0.824, and if that obstacle is overcome, the currency will reach $0.86. Shiba Inu were only briefly traded in the previous session, which accounts for the lack of buyers. For the months of November and December, Shib was dominated by the seller. After the current price decline, the relative strength index dropped below the 40-point threshold. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that selling outnumbered purchases, signaling bearishness. A lack of demand also caused ships to travel below the 20-day simple moving average line, which indicated that sellers were responsible for the market's price movement. The memecoin will cross the 20 SMA if Shib maintains its position above the $0080 level. Other technical indications have also supported the likelihood of a decline in Shib's value. The parabolic SAR plots the asset's price direction and trend on its chart. The signal was above the price candlesticks, indicating a continuing downward trend in the price. Price momentum and trend reversals are shown by the moving average convergence and divergence. As long as MACD painted red histograms, traders could consider selling since that would indicate that Shib prices might rise in 2022. Generally speaking, the Bitcoin market did not shine the brightest. In addition to a continuous bear market that kept the price of cryptocurrencies low, a number of other events also occurred. The price of the majority of cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and other altcoins, is currently between 60% and 90% below its all-time highs. The second largest memecoin, Shiba Inu, is not an exception in this case. The identity of the enigmatic person hiding behind the name is currently unknown. ShibBPP, a Twitter user, submitted the screenshot along with some intriguing information in one of his most recent tweets. The screenshot depicts a message from Kusama on Discord in which he claims to have spoken with his mentor and that they both concur that it will be difficult to remain invisible by the year's end. The date on the message was January 21, 2022, and 2022 is about to come to an end. Additionally, he said that you cannot simply disrupt an industry while remaining invisible. The real fun then starts. The future will only tell if Kusama keeps his pledge and tells the world who he really is. Shiba Inu is quickly becoming a value-based blockchain despite its early notoriety as a memecoin. It can only accomplish this by reducing its reliance on antiquated technologies like Ethereum. That explains how Shibarium, the network's Layer 2 blockchain solution, came to be. Since Shibarium has been released, the majority of Shib transactions that previously took place on Ethereum will now occur on Shibarium. Given that the two main critiques of Ethereum are its high gas fees and limited throughput capabilities, this is a huge step. These factors have greatly hindered the growth of the Shib network because Shiba Inu is based on Ethereum. Despite recently switching to a POS network, Ethereum's transaction speed hasn't greatly increased. Shibarium's goal is to increase the scalability of Shiba Inu by using the security layer of Ethereum as a Layer 2 solution. Shibarium provides a number of other advantages in addition to faster transaction processing times and lower fees. It is important to note that transaction costs will be incredibly low after the debut of Shibarium. Additionally, the majority of these charges will be for burning Shib tokens. Shibarium will provide a burning method for Shib tokens based on the network team's information. Reducing the supply of Shib in circulation is one method of converting it into a utility token. Shibburn statistics indicates that since the network's inception, over 40% of Shib tokens have been burned. The token's circulating supply, which is still too high, prevents its use as a utility token. As dApps are one of the hottest conversation topics in the crypto world, Shib devs want to make sure Shibarium is one of the most sought-after networks for dApp creation. Shibarium's development team thinks it can participate actively in the metaverse. Advocates of the metaverse refer to it as the future of the digital world and a fresh approach to web communication. The Shibarium launch will take place shortly, according to Shib's anonymous developer Kusama, who fails to provide a particular release date. Kusama has previously said that the launch of the Shibarium material will occur soon. For several months, he has been reiterating the same messages. Shibarium's introduction will probably increase the price of Shib because it will provide this token new applications. Shib will have more use cases because transaction processing is quicker and more economical. As a result, once Shibarium opens, the Shib community anticipates that Shib prices will be $0. In a related development, Shib creators claim that the much-anticipated Shiba Eternity game's launch at the beginning of last month was a part of the performance testing phase for Shibarium. The idea of this ship's unknown designer, Ryoshi, was to prevent bone whale holders from having an advantage over other bone holders. However, since bone served as the Shiba Exchange DEX prize token, that vision was not possible. Additionally, according to the network's website's most recent information, bone will serve as Shibarium's main utility token. Shib's utility token is called bone, and owners of it have voting rights for project advancement. A maximum of 230 million coins are available. The date is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To view our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.